All right, friends, welcome to week 6. I hope you guys are doing well. This week we're going to talk about Roman religion. So we're going to start by talking about polytheism. So we've talked about this a little bit in class before, but just in case you don't remember what polytheism is, we're going to have a little refresher. Here we go. Polytheism is the belief in many gods. This belief is held by people of almost all religions except Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. These three religions are monotheistic rather than polytheistic because their followers believe in a single God. In some polytheistic religions, such as certain branches of Hinduism, there is a single creator as well as other gods. In other polytheistic religions, there is one supreme God and other lesser gods. In many polytheistic religions, there are dynamic forces that have to be kept away, often with rituals, as well as divine beings that need to be worshipped. Many polytheistic religions also associate specific gods with specific natural elements, such as Surya, the sun god in Hinduism, or Nut, the Egyptian goddess of the sky. Polytheistic religions also often connect natural phenomena such as good crops or a good hunting season with specific gods to be worshipped at particular times of year. Ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans all believed in many gods. Many people today also believe in multiple gods, including some Native Americans and indigenous peoples of Africa and Oceania. Okay, so here's the thing. Polytheism, this is what you need to know. Polytheism is the belief in many gods. Okay, that could be one divine God that needs to be worshipped, and then little gods underneath of it. It could be one creator and lesser gods underneath of it. But you have to remember that when it's polytheism, we're talking about more than one. Okay, that's what to remember. And the ancient Romans, they believed in more than one God.